Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?
Yes.
Hi,
Hi,
where you from?
I'm from Greece and you?
Indonesian, actually.
Oh, I like your teddy bear.
Really? It's like Doraemon, you know Doraemon?
Mm-hmm.
I want to sing a song for you, okay?
Okay, sure.
But, you know Scooby-Dooby-Doo song? Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you, you know?
Yes, kind of.
I want to sing Scooby-Doo song in cartoon voice, right? Okay, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I want to use sing Scooby-Doo voice. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you. Pretending you got a sliver. You're not fooling me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver. Wee! Thank you.
Bravo.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. So, hello, I'm Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Do you ever watching Scooby-Dooby-Doo on TV?
Yeah.
Really? So how do you think Scooby-Dooby-Doo movie? I think Scooby-Doo movie so famous, interesting.
Well, I don't know if we're talking about the same. I'm talking about the mystery one.
Okay. So how old are you?
I'm 15.
15? Wow, you so younger than me. Can you guess my age?
20?
Wow, how do you know? Yeah, that's true. How do you know my age? You're guessing so fast. Are you Supergirl? Do you have magic? Oh my god.
No, it's because like every time I talk with someone and they're like, "Oh my gosh, you are way younger than me," they are for sure 20.
Okay, I see. Oh my god, damn. So, do you have boyfriend?
No.
No? Why? Why you say no?
Because here I'm not really attractive.
Oh, not really
So
attractive.
people
Okay.
don't find me attractive, that's why, probably.
Okay, I see. I think you look like so amazing, so pretty, right? So, why not?
I don't know, I guess the standards here, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay, forget it. So, what's your name?
I'm Joanna.
Joanna?
Mhm.
So, I can call you what? I can call you Joanna?
Joe.
Joe. Okay, and then my name is Sandy.
Sandy?
Yeah, Sandy. You know Sandy Chicks? Sandy Chicks in SpongeBob movie?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is like Sandy Chicks.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
You wanna
That's
hear?
something new.
You wanna hear Sandy Chicks' voice? I wanna impersonate.
Can you actually do
Yeah,
that?
I can do voice. I can do that. Okay, you wanna hear me? Okay.
SpongeBob, I have the Krabby Patty. Hiya!
I don't know.
How do you do that?
Okay, I wanna tell you because I'm voice actor in my country. I'm making voice on TV, by the way.
Wow.
Yes. Do you know my country?
Where did you say you were from?
Okay. I'm Asian people actually. Can you guess?
Indonesia?
Damn. Yeah, that's true. You're guessing so fast. Oh my god, I'm so shocked.
You know, Indonesian people are actually so friendly with me.
Oh, so friendly. Yeah, I think. But I think myself so boring, right?
No, you're not.
Not?
You're
Okay.
not boring.
Okay, Joanna, I wanna impersonate character again in SpongeBob movie. You know SpongeBob? Okay, I wanna impersonate SpongeBob. Wait, and then can you rating my voice?
The SpongeBob one?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Hey Patrick, you like
Wait.
Hey Patrick, you like Krabby Patty?
No, SpongeBob. I don't like Krabby Patty. I just like Squidward.
Yes, me too, Patrick. Hey Patrick, you wanna make a Krabby Patty with me? Die!
Oh my god! That's a 10 out of 10.
Oh, really? Oh my god. Thank you, Joanna. Thank you. Appreciate that. Oh my god. I'm really happy to meet you, Ray.
I actually, when I was younger, I used to laugh like SpongeBob.
Okay. I can do Mickey Mouse. You know Mickey Mouse?
Mhm.
Okay, you know that word? Wait. Oh boy, hi pal, Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse, no? Hello, Jordan. Oh my god, you look like so amazing. Huh? I'm really happy to meet you, Jordan.
Me too, Nikki.
Oh yeah, thank you. Hey, you wanna meet Donald Duck?
Sure. Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, you still lag. Oh my god, you still lagging. Oh, okay. So clear right now. Okay. No. You still lagging. Before.
I'm lagging.
No. In right now, no, not lagging. So clear.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Where you from?
Greece.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I forgot your country.
It's okay.
Can you teaching me to speak your language?
What do you want to know?
How to say I love you in your language?
I love you in Greek is Sarapo.
Sahapo. Sahapo, really?
Mm.
I'm so sorry, my pronunciations are bad. It's okay, right?
It's okay.
Can you repeat again?
Sarapo.
I love you too, baby. No. Just just joking.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Hey, you can call me Dion, okay?
Okay.
Dion.
Dion.
The only man for you. Hey, Joanna, do you have social media? I think let me make a friend with me on Instagram or something.
Sure, let me give you my Instagram.
Okay, come on. Oh my god, I'm really happy. I saw you. You look so pretty. Oh my god. I'm really nervous to meet you. John. You ever meet a YouTuber or something on Omi TV?
TikTokers mostly.
TikToker,
And
Indonesian TikToker or no?
before I met a girl from Indonesia,
Jarindo.
YouTuber, but she's not really famous.
Oh, okay. Joanna, wait. I wanna find you. Joanna. How do you think about me on here? Because I think, in my opinion, I'm so boring, right?
No, you're not.
Not? Okay, thank you, Joanna. Is that you? Okay. Don't unfollow you.
Okay, I will follow you back later.
Joanna,
No.
actually, I'm recording right now. It's okay, right?
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
I don't
okay.
mind.
Thank you.
Are you posting it somewhere or something
Yeah,
like that?
I think I wanna post in my Instagram. On Instagram.
Okay.
Thank you, Joanna. Die!
Okay, bye.
Oh, thank you. Bye-bye, Joanna. Hi. Why?
Hi.
Why are you laughing? Okay, forget
You
it.
play guitar?
Yes.
You can?
I playing guitar. I can do. Okay, I wanna sing a
Sure,
song for you. Okay?
Singing?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Yeah.
But I wanna tell you. You know Scooby Dooby Doo song?
Yes, I know.
I wanna sing Scooby Doo song for you. Okay?
Okay.
And then I wanna using Scooby voice. You know Scooby voice?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby Doo, I see you, pretending you got a sliver. You're not fooling me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver. Wee, thank you.
This is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh my god.
Scooby Dooby Doo. Oh my god. Wait, I want to tell you because I have job. My job is voice actor in my country, by the way. You know voice actor?
What?
Voice actor.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm making
You
voice
can?
on TV.
Televizyonda şey yapıyormuş, ses aktörlüğü yapıyormuş.
Yeah. Wait. Hey, she is your friend?
What?
She is your friend?
Yes, my friend.
Oh, your friend. Okay. So you know Mickey Mouse?
Yes.
Oh boy.
You can.
Hi, bro. No. Oh my God. Miska, Mickey Mouse. Hello, everybody. What's your name?
You can mini.
Yeah.
You can mini.
I can do.
Hi, I'm
You
Minnie
can,
Mouse,
yes.
and Mickey Mouse my best friend.
Doraemon. You
Oh,
can
Doraemon.
Doraemon.
俺はドラえもんです。私の名前はドラえもんです。
Ya.
Yeah.
Yetenekli. Hemen yetenekli.
Hey, you know Donald Duck?
What?
You know Donald Duck?
Yes. Yes. So good.
Oh, thank you. Hey, so how old are you?
I'm 17. You?
17? Can you guess my age? Guess. Guess.
18?
No. Plus 2. More.
20?
Yes, 20. That's true. Yeah.
You look like 18.
Really? I think in my mind,
Yes.
my face looks like older, not young.
Oh no.
No? Oh my God. Do you know Indonesia?
Niger?
Indonesia. Indonesia is country.
My country?
No, you know Indonesia? Because actually I'm from Indonesia. What?